Hi, and welcome back. My name is Ben. Today, we are going to the doctor's office. For many people, visiting a doctor can feel stressful, and doing it in English can feel even harder. But don't worry, you do not need perfect English at the doctor's office. Simple and clear words are enough. In this lesson, you will learn how to use easy English at the doctor's office. You will learn how to arrive, how to explain how you feel, how to answer simple questions, and how to finish your visit politely. I will speak slowly and clearly. The words will be simple and easy to understand. If you like calm, real-life English lessons like this, please hit that like button. It makes my day and keeps the lessons coming. Now, let's go to the doctor's office together. Arriving at the doctor's office. Imagine you are arriving at the doctor's office. You walk into the building and open the door. Inside, it is usually quiet and calm. You may see a desk near the entrance. This is called the reception desk or front desk. Behind the desk, there is a receptionist. This person helps patients and gives information. You may also see a waiting room. This is where people sit and wait for the doctor. Checking in at the reception. Now you are at the reception desk. The receptionist is there to help you. You do not need long or difficult sentences. First, you can say why you are here. You can say, I have an appointment. This means you planned this visit before. If the receptionist asks for your name, you can say, my name is Ben. If they ask about the time, you can say, my appointment is at 10 o'clock. Sometimes the receptionist may ask for more information. They may ask about your insurance or ask you to fill out a form. If you do not understand something, that is okay. You can say, sorry, I don't understand, or could you help me please? These sentences are polite and completely normal. After checking in, the receptionist may ask you to wait. They may say something like, please have a seat. This means you can sit down and wait. Waiting for the doctor. Now you are in the waiting room. You sit down and wait for your name to be called. The waiting room is usually quiet. You may see other patients waiting. Some people read a magazine. Some people look at their phone. You may need to wait for a few minutes. That is normal. Sometimes the receptionist may give you a form to fill out. This form may ask about your name, your age, or how you feel. If you are not sure how to fill it out, that's okay. You can say, could you help me with this, please? Or, I'm not sure what to write here. People are usually happy to help. While you are waiting, try to stay calm. Take a slow breath. Soon, the doctor or a nurse will call your name. That means it is time for your appointment. Describing symptoms. Now it is time to talk about how you feel. This is one of the most important moments at the doctor's office. But don't worry, you do not need difficult words. Simple sentences are enough. You can start with how you feel in general. You can say, I don't feel well, or I feel sick. These sentences are very common and easy to use. Next, you can talk about your symptoms. A symptom is something you feel in your body. Here are some common symptoms. Pain. You can say, I have pain here, or it hurts here. You can also point to the place on your body. That is completely okay. Headache. You can say, I have a headache. Fever. You can say, I have a fever. Cough. You can say, I have a cough. Sore throat. You can say, I have a sore throat. You can also talk about how strong the problem is. You can say, "It hurts a little," or "It hurts a lot." Both are simple and clear. You do not need long explanations. The doctor will ask more questions. Answering the doctor's questions. Now the doctor may ask you some questions. These questions help the doctor understand your problem better. You do not need long answers. Short and simple answers are perfectly fine. One very common question is about time. The doctor may ask when the problem started. You can answer with simple phrases like 2 days ago, yesterday, this morning. The doctor may also ask how long you have had the problem. You can say, for 3 days, or for about a week. Sometimes the doctor may ask if something hurts. You can answer, yes, no, or a little. You can also say, it hurts when I move, or it hurts when I swallow. Simple sentences are enough. The doctor may ask other short questions like, do you have a fever? Do you feel tired? Does it hurt here? You can answer calmly and slowly. Remember, it is okay to pause and think. It is okay to speak slowly. Understanding advice and treatment. Now the doctor gives you advice. The doctor may explain what you should do to feel better. Do not worry if you do not understand every word. You only need to understand the main idea. The doctor may talk about medicine. You may hear simple instructions like, take this medicine, take it once a day, or take it after meals. If you are not sure, you can ask, how often should I take it? Or, can you explain it again, please? The doctor may also give general advice. For example, get some rest, drink a lot of water, stay at home. These sentences are very common and easy to understand. Sometimes the doctor may say you need to come back. They may say, come back in 1 week, or make another appointment. You do not need to reply with long sentences. A simple, okay, or thank you is enough. If you do not understand something, it is okay to ask. You can say, sorry, I didn't understand, or could you speak more slowly, please? This is polite and completely normal. Common problems at the doctor's office. Sometimes visiting the doctor does not go perfectly, and that is okay. Many people have small problems during a doctor's visit, especially when speaking a foreign language. Let's look at some common situations and how to handle them calmly. One common problem is not understanding the doctor. If the doctor speaks too fast, you can say, sorry, I didn't understand, or could you repeat that, please? You can also ask, could you speak more slowly, please? These sentences are polite and completely normal. Another problem is not knowing the right word. If you don't know how to explain something, you can use simple words, point to the place that hurts, describe how it feels. For example, it hurts here. I feel tired. That is enough. You may also feel nervous or forget what to say. That happens to everyone. Take a breath. Speak slowly. You are doing your best. Ending the visit. Now the visit is coming to an end. The doctor may tell you what to do next. They may give you a prescription or instructions. If the doctor asks you to come back later, you can say, okay, or thank you. Before you leave, it is polite to say, "Thank you, doctor," or "Thank you very much." If you need another appointment, you may go back to the reception desk. You can say, "I need to make another appointment." Then you are ready to leave. What not to worry about. Before we finish, remember this. You do not need medical English. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need long sentences. Short, simple, and polite English is enough. You can speak slowly. You can ask people to repeat. You can ask for help. Your accent is okay. Making mistakes is okay. Every visit helps you learn. Now you know how to use English at the doctor's office. You learned how to arrive and check in, wait calmly, describe how you feel, answer questions, understand advice, and leave politely. These are real-life situations. You can use them when you need them. Next time you visit a doctor, remember, simple English is enough. Thank you for learning with me today. If this lesson helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe for more calm and easy English lessons. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.